Gawa ka na. Gawa na pag-iigaan. Nakacholo din dahil.
And the winner for the best blog for advocacy category is Web Safety Philippines.
Yay! Yay!
Marami pong salamat, but I would like to share this award. The idea is mine, but I do not claim to be an IT or a geek expert. I would like to share this award with Carlo. He supported the advocacy. One of the sponsors, si Richard. We have Flair Candy, when in Manila. Pocholo of Creative Services.
Creative Voices.
And, kung meron pong sumuporta sa akin na nakalimutan ko, pasensya na at ako'y kinakabahan. Maraming pong salamat ulit.